I see this very clearly for what it is. We're just three good people stuck in a really crappy situation. But you know what? At least two of us still get to be happy. This is worse than the worst thing I could possibly imagine, and that's you looking at me with no love in your eyes. So please, just please.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
Who would have thought? A boy from Daxam and a girl from Krypton working together. You are not selfless.
And you are no hero.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
You don't like me. Why do you care?
Are you working with me because you like me?
It was okay that I was gonna die because I'd gotten to kiss you. I would never hurt you on purpose.
You won't again.
Cara, don't.
I can't do this. No, it's over.
You have to leave.
Every time. Is it not you?
It's me.
Then make me believe it, please. How could you have changed so much? It's only been 7 months.
No, it's been 7 years.
You just forgot about me? The man I loved and thought was dead is alive. He's dead. I know, he's dead, I know. And again, now he's actually here, but guess what? He's married. I don't think you get that I gave my heart to a lying jackass.
Are you still in love with her?
I don't know.
When you first arrived in my town, you spoke only of finding a way back to you.
I lost her once, man. I'm not sure I can do it again. I have to believe that no matter what century or universe or world I'm living in, that I would never forget you. Never. I still care about you.
I know. This was all I wanted.
I can't help her, I can't hold her. There was nothing logical about falling in love with Karamel.
We're too different, Monel. Shame on me for having a human heart. What?
That face, that smile.
I'm just happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that dopey grin, butterflies in my stomach happy.
Once I was 7 years old.